Hello everyone, I welcome you all to another video. So in this video we'll be creating a login screen in the MAUI. How we are going to create that? So this is such kind of UI we are going to design. Okay, so I have downloaded these images. This is one image and these two images. Rest is just a widgets. So here I have given the name as login image, Google image and Facebook image. So how to do that? So I'll just take a snapshot of this one. Okay, and I'll just keep it handy over here so that we'll just compare this UI. So this is the UI we will try to recreate. So can you see that first label and this image is horizontal? So we'll take, so what we'll do, we'll add a grid and column definition. Okay, so there are two things. Okay, so I have added that, and first is label. Text will be ready, have an account. Okay, and it has a question mark. So this is my text. I'll give a text size of around, sorry, font size of around 14. Okay, and it add an image of source img underscore login.jpg, and I want this image to be on second column, so grid column. So this part is done. I want some padding at the top, so probably I'll add margin. So top margin as 20, sorry, this is left is 0, 20 is top, and rest of the margins are 0. Okay, so I'll just quickly check how it is looking. Meanwhile, I'll just add this entry and labels. So here, since this label and this entry are vertically aligned, so and these are also aligned vertically, but the padding or the spacing between this label and these two widgets, so basically email and password is different. So we'll create one layout as email with an entry and label, and the other widget or a layout as password and password entry. So here the image is not appearing. So the reason for that is the size of the image is too huge. So probably we'll give the height of the image as 250 or 200, and width of the image is 250. Let's see. Still it's not showing. Okay, one more thing is it's already have an account, and okay, I'll just give the width as 200. Probably I need to rerun the program and then we'll see. Okay, so meanwhile we'll do one thing. I'll just till the time it creates, it is running, I'll just quickly add some other things. We got the image here. Now I want this text to be vertically center, so we'll add here vertical option is center and expand, or I would say center, and I want a spacing, that is the column spacing as 20, since I'm maintaining a 20 padding on the left and right, so that's why I'll be keeping it as, or I'll just redo it to 15. Okay, and then okay, so this part will check the alignment ladders. So meanwhile I'll just add our the code for the entry. So I'll be taking the code from for the entry from the previous video. So if you have not watched my previous video how to create a borderless entry, you can click on the I button, and from there or in the description you'll get a video to create or how to create a borderless entry. So I already have this borderless entry over here, so I'll just add that. So this is the code for my borderless entry, and similarly I'll create one more for password, one more label for password, and it should be enter password. Okay, here it is enter email, and I don't want this as password. Okay, so this is for email and this is for password, and I want here a margin as 20 at the top, and here also 20 at the top. Okay, and other than that I want a button with text as login, corner radius probably 20, and color as the purple color, and text color as white. Okay, so we'll just check how it is looking. Okay, it's running. So okay, my this alignment I got it correctly. I got the email as correct, the password as correct. This is also having a good padding. Only thing is I have not given any margin to this one, so I'll quickly give some margin to this one. Okay, and I'll check in the UI as well. So yeah, I wanted the same padding whatever it is there for the email and password, so same padding is given. Now I want this label, so can you see the padding is less compared to this padding? So we'll just add a label, text as new user, yes, register now. Okay, so this label is done. I want the font size as probably 14, and then I want it to be center, horizontal option to be center, and after that, okay, so I want the margin as 15. Margin is given here. Then I want this user other method label, but can you see there are two lines? Okay, so how to create that is, it is the same approach. So instead of 2 columns we need 3 columns, so I'll just add 3 columns over here. Then the first will be a box view having a height of 1 and color as a black, and same I want okay, first of all I'll need to give the first of all I need to decide or tell. So basically I need to tell on which column I want to show this one, and then I'll copy paste the same, and I want this on second column, and on the first column I want this text. So I want this as label, and to the label I need to give the text as use other methods, and font size as 12, and horizontal option to be center. Okay, so this thing is done, and below that I want 2 images which is horizontally aligned. So horizontal stack layout I'll be using, and image as IC underscore Facebook .png. I'll give the width as around 35 and height as 35. Same I'll be using for Google image IC underscore Google. Okay, and I'll give the margin as 15. Yeah, 15 margin. Okay, so we are done from the coding point. Now we'll see how it is looking on the UI. Okay, so this is how it is looking on the UI. Okay, most of the things seems to be correct. Only thing is, like, here I wanted as methods spelling mistake with M capital, and I want this to be center aligned and the spacing between these two items. So we'll quickly change it. Okay, so I want spacing between these items, so I'll add the spacing as 20. I want it to be center aligned, so horizontal option to be as center. So this is done, and I want here a spelling mistake to be corrected as here methods. So this is done. Other than that, I wanted the font size of this already have an account to be little, so I'll give it as 16, and we'll see how it is showing. Okay, so it's looking good. Only thing is, like, it's taking, I mean, it's coming on double line. Rest of the thing is looking good, so let me change it. And how to do that? So it's here, it's coming on double line because we have given a column spacing of 15, so I'll just make it as 10, and then I'll see how it is. Okay, it is looking good now, and it is also center aligned. Okay, now I don't want this navigation bar. So what I can do here, since I'm using the shell navigation, so I have to use that navigation bar is visible, and if I have to say it as false. Okay, so it is gone. So yeah, that's it from this video. Yeah, you can increase the size, I mean the width, if you want, of this image. Rest of the things looks good. So yeah, that's it from this video. There's a login screen. If you like this video, please do not forget to like the video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.